I will now be going over Section 1, Customers and Products, Customer Knowledge, Product Design, and Development. MT demonstrates a strong and systematic approach to understanding customer requirements. The organization recognizes that different stakeholder groups have different operational and emotional needs throughout the donation and transplantation process. Key customer groups include transplant centers, donor hospitals, donor families, tissue processors, and corneal transplant centers. For example, transplant centers prioritize rapid organ delivery, coordination, and reliability, and organ viability because patient outcomes depend heavily on speed and operational precision. Donor hospitals prioritize workflow efficiency and minimizing operational disruptions, while donor families value compassionate communication, emotional support, and transparency throughout the donation process. A major strength is the customer feedback listening system. The organization gathers information from transplant centers, donor hospitals, and donor families of tissue processors through surveys, collaboration meetings. These systems help MT identify customer needs, operational challenges, and opportunities for service improvements across the donation and transportation process. The effectiveness of these systems is demonstrated through the consistency of high customer satisfaction rating 4 to 5 out of 5 and shows that stakeholder views on MT as reliable, responsive, and collaborative. One opportunity for improvement involves predictive analytics and forecasting. Currently, many of the performance measures focus on mainly the past and current results rather than identifying future operational or workforce risks early. The concern is that stronger predictive measures, MT may not recognize staffing challenges, burnout risks, referral pattern changes, or evolving customer expectations early enough to respond proactively. One major strength of MT is its systematic performance review and benchmarking process. The organization integrates customer feedback, operational metrics, and strategic planning activities into leadership reviews and continuous improvement efforts. This helps MT monitor performance, identify improvement opportunities, and maintain strong stakeholder relationships over time. By combining the operational metrics with customer feedback, MT supports operational learning, adaptability, and proactive decision making. One opportunity for improvement involves stronger customer relations management, or CRM integration. While MT has strong communication and feedback systems, there's limited evidence of a centralized CRM platform that connects all customer and stakeholder data across the segments. This creates a gap. With the limited CRM integration may reduce communication and coordination and weaken trend analysis, making it harder to identify risks early. To address this, MT could implement a more integrated CRM platform that strengthens stakeholder communication, referral tracking, operational coordination, and create proactive relationships that are managed across the donation network. Products and service design development. A significant strength of MT is a strong strategic planning system called the North Star Vision. This system helps align services, improvements, operations, and customer needs to support reliable and effective healthcare services. MT integrates stakeholder feedback, operational data, benchmarking results, and strategic priorities to improve coordination and service quality across the donation and transplantation process. This allows the organization to align operational activities with customer requirements and long-term organizational goals. An opportunity for improvement involves increasing collaboration across departments and stakeholder groups. Currently, some departments may work too independently, which can cause communication gaps, slower decision making, and reduced coordination. This is also important because delays or communication breakdown in healthcare environments can negatively affect customer outcomes with slow responsiveness or possibility of mistakes. To improve this area, MT can improve more cross-functional teams and collaborative improvement groups to strengthen communication, coordination, innovation, and decision-making across departments and the stakeholder groups. Finally, we're going to discuss how MT measures operational performance and identify an opportunity related to the workforce well-being. A major strength of MT is its strong performance tracking and operations reliability systems. MT monitors key operational measures such as referral timelines, transportation reliability, communication effectiveness, and customer satisfaction. These systems can help maintain reliable operations, improve communication, and identify issues early before patient care is impacted. This focus on operational consistency is especially important in transplantation services because delays or disruptions can directly affect organ viability and patient outcomes. An opportunity for improvement involves the better monitoring of employee wellness and burnout. The current system has limited tracking of burnout, stress, or employee psychological psychological health indicators. This is important because it's a high stress environment and burnout may contribute to bad communication, operational errors, turnover, or reduced organizational performance. To strengthen this area, MT could track indicators such as burnout scores, absenteeisms, uh, turnover rates, and employment engagement levels. Expanding the workforce well-being monitoring could improve overall staff well-being, organizational resilience, and a more sustainable long-term operation. I will now pass it over to talk about operations and production. Thank you.